Well, my name is Cat. I am a sound designer at Electric Monk Media, and I do all the recording, cutting, editing, designing, and implementing into Wise. I first became interested in audio production because my dad used to do it. He was a cameraman, audio person for an adventure show called Adventures North. It was hunting, fishing, tourism. I'd see him go on all these adventures and stuff all over Canada, and I used to dream about that. Oh, I want to do that someday. And then at 30 years old, I was like, you know what, let's find something that's audio, that's camera work, that's stuff like that. And it kind of just re-sparked that little bit of inspiration I had from my dad. Video game audio wasn't on my radar, and it wasn't until we had like a video game demo. The sound design aspect is really what got me, that you can be super creative and see it put into a game. I was really lucky to have an internship that hired me on right after I was finished the class. I have done so many things throughout the last 2 years of working at this place that I hadn't even thought of that I'd get to do working at a game company. Like being in studios. I love being in studios, but now I get to like direct voice actors. I think that's a big turning point for me is I get to live out my theater kid dreams and direct voice actors and see the progress and the final product. It's exciting, it's wonderful. There has not been a moment where I've not wanted to do it. It's hard to say if this is a skill, but creativity, like flicking on your creative brain to figure out like what kind of object could get close to a sound that you're interested in, or even just experimental stuff. Part of my day, I spend maybe like an hour experimenting, throwing sounds together, pitching them down, extending them, throwing on all sorts of different plugins and stuff just to see what I could get. And sometimes that leads to something great. It's my creative juices that get to flow with some input from the others on the team. So like, say we'll be talking about a level, it's like, oh, there's a train yard. Cat, what do you think? Great, train, squeaks, tires, birds, gravel, just constant, just list of what you'd see in a scene with a rail yard. I will look through the level, be like, trash can there, okay, trash noise, car crash here, okay, car crash noise, but what do you need in a car crash? You need them wheels, you need them squeaks, you need them fires, yes. So it's a rabbit hole. I got here by Googling a lot, by looking around a lot. I found MOSMA and I was like, okay. I'm so skeptical about places, especially private schools, that I was like, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna look. So I came to the school, I did a little tour, I asked questions, and I was like, okay, this is legit cool, this is for me. So I wouldn't be where I am without coming to this school, because I know myself and I don't have the self-discipline to learn what I did here. And not to mention the fact that they set you up for success. That's nuts. They set you up with the internships. They set you up with the teachers that come in. And it was super helpful because it forced me to actually do stuff. And I did not have an easy time in the course. I was undiagnosed ADHD, so my brain was all over the place. I couldn't focus, and I was failing. So the moment I kicked it into gear and I got control of myself like that, I was able to just zoom through, understand, show the skill actually increasing. It's nuts how useful this course was for me. It set me up, basically. So I owe a lot to the course and the great teachers here.